Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Suhas, currently pursuing my MBA in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru, which is affiliated to VTU, Belagavi. So in this video, we would like to talk about structure of communication. So mainly, we would like to study what is communication, objectives of communication, types of communication, what are the barriers of communication, and the structure of communications. So the first step is what is communication? A process by which an information is exchanged between individuals through a common system of symbols, signs, or a behavior is known as a communication. So the objectives of communication are building awareness. Second one is the motivating people, sharing knowledge. Fourth one is educating. Fifth is promoting the brand. Sixth is directing subordinates. And the last is facilitating policies. So what are the types of communication? Formal communication, informal communication, downward communication, horizontal communication, diagonal communication, non-verbal communication, verbal communication, oral communication, and written communication. So the barriers of communication are emotional barriers, physical barriers, linguistic barriers, psychological barriers, physical barriers, environmental barriers, technological barriers. So what are the classifications of communication? The direction of communication. So there are two types of communication. Where are the first one is formal communication. This type of communication flows through formally established channel within an organization. It can be either oral or written. Formal communication is typically controlled by managers and follows a hierarchical structure. It is associated with a superior subordinate relationships and is linked to formal positions within the organization. Informal communication. This type of communication occurs spontaneously among employees without following formal changes. It often based on personal relationships and shared interest. Informal communication can be verbal or non-verbal. In other words, it is such as a body language or the gestures of the communication. So the next thing is direction of communication. There are three main and the major communication where the downward communication, upward communication, and the horizontal communication. So the first thing is downward communication. Flows from higher levels of management, top lower levels. It includes instructions, policies, and performance, and the final stage, which we ask is the feedback. So the middle one is upward communication. Moves from lower levels to higher. Employees share feedbacks, suggestions, and the grievances. So the last one is horizontal communication. Occurs between colleagues at the same level within the organization. It promotes collaboration and the coordinations. So what are the mode of expression? There are two basic communication. So the first one is non-verbal communication, which involves the gestures, the facial expressions, and the body languages. It can convey emotions to the eyes or your body languages with an attitude and intentions. Verbal communication is the use of spoken language to convey messages between individuals or groups. It plays a crucial role in both personal and professional settings. Thank you.